Hello everybody, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm just going to show you how to switch on this gas maxi oven and cooker. It's a gas cooker. So I'm just going to open this to show you what it looks like. So it actually has one electric burner and it has 3 other burners. This is the biggest one, it's the medium one, and that is the little one. So it actually has an igniter. So if I want to switch on this one, I just go here and and that comes on. If I want to switch on the other one, just go there and that comes on, and the same thing for this, and this comes on. So you can see that all 3 of them, and the other one is the electric one. So I'm just going to switch these off now, and I'm going to show you how to switch on the grill. So this is the control for the grill and the oven. So I'm just going to open this now, and when I want to switch on the grill, all I do is I just hold that, and you can see immediately the grill comes on. So I'm just going to switch that off now, and I'm going to show you how to switch on the oven. So the same thing, but this time you're just going to turn it to your left. So turn the button to your left, and just turn the button to your left, and you can see the flames. The flame has come on, so that is for the oven. You also have like a rack, and you have a baking tray inside. So these are the things that you would see in your maxi cooker. So I'm just going to switch the oven off. So that is off now. So I hope this has been a useful video for you, and thank you. Please don't forget to, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.